Why we need to know about the load line analysis? This is because we need to know the possible range of Q point, or Q point is represent for the operating point. Okay, if you can see from this graph, the blue line is your output characteristics. From the output characteristics, I can say is the transistor characteristics. So for the load line analysis, we need to find the line. I draw here using the red line here. So you have to know the value of IC saturations, and also the value is VCC. How to find the value is since this is the output. Okay, if you still remember, CE loop represent for the output voltage. So we to use the KVL on the CE loop. We go to the analysis. We need to know about the considerations. Okay, for the transistor saturations, the value of VCE actually is very small. I can say it's nearly equal to 0. So to make our analysis easier, so we just assume that VCE here, we start from the zero. So VCE for the saturation region is always 0 volt. Okay, this is for the analysis. What you need to do is you have to find the value of IC saturations, and also you need to find the value of VCE cutoff. Let's say this one and this one is the 2. Where is the second point? The first point here. The first is here. Okay. And then the second one I will explain later. Okay, IC saturation. From here, what information we can derive, we can know is the value of VCE. During IC saturations, the value of VCE is equal to 0 volt. Okay, so from the circuit, we know here is 0. So what happened to your current? Okay, there is no voltage drop at the VCE. So your IE will equal to the IC because there is no voltage drop at transistor. Okay, so using these two informations, you have to substitute into this KVL equations for the output. So let me put this one first because this is the first point. So VCC still remain VCC, and then IC time with the RC. VCE right now you have the value of 0, and then plus IE. IE right now is going to be IC, and then this one will be times with the RE equal to 0. Okay, for these conditions, when you substitute the value of VCE equal to 0, this during IC saturations. So I just write here as a IC saturation here. So meaning that you have to find the value of IC saturation by rearrange this equation. So we'll get the value of IC saturation equal to VCC over RC plus RE. Okay, so this is the first point. And then for the second point, which is for the cutoff regions. Cutoff region is here at the bottom here. Okay, this is the VC. So for the cutoff region, the information you can know from here is the value of IC is equal to 0 milliampere. Let me explain about the circuit. Okay, when the IC, the value of IC equal to 0, so what happened to your IE? IE, yeah, is equal to IC, it will be equal to 0 because there is no input current, and then it should be no output current. So that's why IC equal to 0 and IE also equal to 0. So by using these two informations, substitute into the KVL equations. So you first VCC plus IC is 0 right now. So plus VCE, this is the VCE cut off, and then IE also equal to 0. So we will find out the value of VCE equal to VCC. So using these 2 points, you can draw let's say this is your point and this is your point, and then you just make a line between these 2 points. This is your load line. Okay, load line. Okay, and then this is your Q point. For example, you have to use the certain IB. Let's say the certain IB. So we just note here as a IBQ. And then, for example, you need to find the value of IC. So this is your value IC. This one will be ICQ. Okay, and then from here, this one will be your VCEQ. Okay, just now we just use the KBL to find the IB, we find the value of IE, we find the value of IC, and then we find the value of VCE. All these parameter actually is for the operating point. Actually, you can put the notation same as like this. For example, IC just now, we can use the ICQ instead of just IC. Okay, let me rewrite. So IC actually equal to ICQ, and VCEQ is equal to VCE. That's we calculate just now. And also about the IB, Q is equal to IB, but it's not equal for the IC. It's not equal to IC saturation. Okay. So what next? I really recommend that you can do example question in the textbooks. For the engineering student, I really recommend you to do example on in the electronic devices and circuit theory books by Robert Bursted, and also I think this is the main reference for you. And then electronic devices, I think it's good for you to take a look for this book. Okay, for the engineering technology student, yeah, I really recommend these books. Okay, so, and then I really recommend you to watch my next video, which is fixed bias configuration. That's all. Thank you for watching.